10 reasons why this food is without a doubt the best food on the planet. Now, by the time I get to number 6, you should know the answer. Okay, here we go. Number 1, it's a high water content food. And we all know how important it is to stay hydrated. Number 2, it's high in fiber. We need fiber to move things along in our intestinal tract. Fiber acts like an intestinal broom, pulling toxins out of us. Number 3, it's a high energy food. It gives us energy. It's a living food. It has the highest angstrom rating of any other food. That means angstrom rating is how much energy they can measure, how much energy is in a food. It's easy to digest, which does not, and remember, digestion requires a lot of our energy. But this food is very, very easy to digest, and then we have more energy for other things. It has the highest, number 5. It has the highest vitamin content of any food on the planet. This food group has the highest vitamin content. Number 6, it has the second highest mineral content. Vegetables being number 1. Have you figured it out yet? Well, if you saw the name of my channel, you probably have. But it's fruit, of course. Fruit is without a doubt the best food we have. There's no question. But don't think of fruit as a snack. You know, yeah, I'll have an apple, I'll have a banana here and there. You got to think of it as the meal. The meal. Get your whole caloric needs met with fruit. Okay, I'm going to go on. Number 7. It satisfies the taste buds. Think about all the delicious fruits that we have. And a lot you and I have probably never tried that are in countries like Thailand and all these South American countries, all these real tropical places. You've got mangoes, you've got sapodilla, you've got grapes, pineapple, figs, persimmons, apples, bananas, papaya, kiwis, oranges, tangerines, plums, pears. Unbelievable. Number 8. Oh yeah. And back to number 7. It satisfies the taste buds because we are designed for fruit. We like sweet things. Now, it doesn't all have to be sweet. We like savory things too with our salads, and we can make different dressings with herbs and so forth. But our main desire is sweet. We want sweet tasting food. Number 8, it enhances weight loss. Remember that high fiber food pulls all the toxins out of us. And the good sugars that are in fruit, the fructose and the glucose, signal to the brain that the blood sugar levels have raised, okay? And when blood sugar levels rise, we no longer feel hungry. So it's almost impossible to overeat fruit. Your brain is going to say you're full, you're okay now, you got enough food for a little while. So it's a great weight loss tool. Number 9, there's no preparation required other than maybe peeling a banana or peeling, taking off the outside. but sometimes it's perfect in nature's package, the way our Creator gave it to us. Sometimes you can eat the whole package with an apple, a pear, a plum, a persimmon, different foods. By the way, I recently had some durian. If you've never had durian, it's an incredible fruit, mainly grown in Thailand. It's fantastic. So that was number 9, no preparation. And number 10, this one is so true, it makes you happy. I have heard from different doctors that I know, and I trust these guys, that people have been very depressed, in a very dark place, just stuck in their room. They don't want to see anybody, don't want to do anything. And when you put them on fruit, they slowly but surely, they gradually come out of depression. And I've also heard stories where people with spinal cord injuries, yes, spinal cord injuries, not being able to walk, have actually come back from eating a high fruit diet. So that's the 10 reasons. But I want to mention that if you are on a high fat diet, and that means if you're eating more than 10 or 15% of your daily caloric needs from fats, if it's more, if it's up to 20 and over, most people in this country are eating 40, 45% of their daily caloric intake from fats. It's not a good scenario, because fruit and fat do not mix. Okay, now if you're on a low-fat diet, 10 or 15% and lower, you'll be able to eat copious amounts of fruit. But once it goes up to 40%, 45, 50, some people are up 60, 70%. Some people are carnivores, 100%. Then fruit does not sit well. Large amounts of fruit does not sit well, because when you have too much fat in the bloodstream, it clogs everything. It clogs the insulin receptors. It even clogs the sugar molecules that your system needs, that every cell in your body needs. It clogs everything with a coating of oil, grease. That's what's in fat. And the insulin receptors no longer work properly. So the sugar cannot get out of the bloodstream. So the moral of the story is, if you want to be able to eat the best food on the planet, you have to go low fat. It's imperative. There's no way you can do both. Some people eat both, but they don't eat a lot of fruit. And that's a problem. Fruit is it's the best food. It's the highest vitamin content food on the planet. It's got the water. It's got the fiber. It's much better than an animal product that has 0 water, 0 fiber, and it's very difficult getting through the digestion, the intestinal tract. So there you have it, the 10 reasons why fruit is without a doubt the best the best fruit on the planet. I'm going to go fruit up right now. I'm going to have a big fruit bowl. All the best, and remember, fruit up, low fat.